Hey, what's up, guys? Are you looking to watch movies and TV shows all on your Amazon Fire TV stick, all for free? Check out these applications that you can't find in the Amazon App Store. So, what we need to do is download a program called Downloader. This gives us the ability to sideload applications onto our Fire Stick. In order to do that, just hit the little magnifying glass here, type in Downloader in the search. Downloader is available on the App Store, so get it, download it. Once you have it downloaded, head to the settings icon, the little basketball guy there I have, and then you can come down to My Fire TV. Click on My Fire TV. If you do not have developer options listed, that's okay. We can get that turned on for you. Just highlight About, and then use your Fire Stick select button. Click it about 7 to 10 times, and then it says, congratulations, you are now a developer. So you can back out one. Developer options will be listed. Click on it, and then under Install Unknown Apps, turn on Downloader. This gives Downloader the ability, or this is the jailbreak. It's not jailbreaking, it's turning on one option to allow Downloader to sideload apps. So we can go back to our home screen and let's find Downloader. Head all the way to the right here under the 3 squares plus sign and look for Downloader. The last program you downloaded should be down at the bottom here. So you can just use your 3-line button on your remote, push move or move to the front. So yours is probably down here. You can hit it and you say move to the front and puts it in the shortcuts on your menu. We can go back to the home screen and let's open up Downloader. Here we have an ability to enter a shortcut to get to our web page. We're just going to type in 5 4 6 8 3 5, and this sends us to our ledbytheunknown.com website. There is a short 5-second redirect. Now once the page has loaded, you can use the 3-line button on your remote, and we can add this current page to our favorites and then save it. And on the left orange bar there under favorites, you can click on it and there'll be no longer a redirect. So once we're in this page, click on this first page and click downloads, and it sends you to the downloads page. Here in the downloads page, you can find some videos, tutorials on how to use these applications. So when you head down, look for we have our top 5 section here. Live streaming apps, sports, and of course, we're looking for movies and TV shows. Our best apps right up front here. So we can find HD, you can click on it, head down in this section, and then we have 2 options to download and a backup for each option. So we can click on it, install it, down on the bottom right, click install. And once it's installed, we can hit done. And then we delete the installation file as we no longer need it. And now we can back up with our remote one, and we can find the second one. We can try on stream. And again, hit the install. And if you get to this point and you forgot that to enable downloaded to sideload applications, don't worry. During this section, it actually pops up for you. We'll hit done and then delete the installation file. Now let's go back to the home screen and see what we got. So back to the 3 squares plus sign, your apps and games section. You can tell the last couple of applications that were downloaded are here. So we can just hit the 3-line button on a remote and move it. And the same with HD, we can move it. And boom, there we go. Enjoy, happy streaming, peace. And guys, before we find these applications, I'll come in here. I'll highly suggest IPVanish for our Firestick. Install it, get it, download it. Check out the link up top on your screen right now. Click on it and it'll give you a step-by-step tutorial on how to log in, create an account, log in, set it up. Find your closest server. So right now I'm going to open it up. IPVanish. So we can come down. There's the little map symbol on the bottom left. We can click on that. You can go fastest available. United States, Canada. I already have some favorites in here. And I don't know if Miami will be on here, but let's see if we can find Miami. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, right? Miami, boom. So we can favorite Miami, click on it, connect to Miami. You want to click to where the events are going to be, right? So if it's not Miami, somewhere else, go right ahead, Vegas, you name it. We are now located in Miami on our device. And our online security is safe.